Is your team being asked to deliver more technology projects faster than ever before? Is there pressure in your organization to be more agile? Are business teams moving forward with technology projects without involving IT? Hi, I'm Shannon Boucher with Plan to Action. We are project management experts that love to help business leaders run more efficient technology projects, minimizing a lot of those pressures. Agile principles can be implemented across all types of projects, including ERP programs. Today, I'm going to demonstrate an implementation of our Plan to Action SAP Playbook. This playbook will enable better communication and transparency across all stakeholders, ultimately delivering a more successful SAP project. It takes best practice Agile principles and leverages them to support the unique challenges that makes ERP projects so difficult to deliver. This playbook is built using Atlassian tools, Confluence, and Jira. It helps keep executives, business owners, and IT fully engaged and quite literally on the same page with real-time access to program and project status. So let's dive in. One outcome of using Agile tools is improvement in communication and transparency. Here we've enabled a program dashboard that provides an overview of progress and access to project details for the executive or product owner that wants to learn more. This dashboard consists of 3 primary sections. A calendar of events for the month. This can be static or, if using a plugin, dynamically updated. Secondly, a list of approved projects with business sponsor and go live date. It can also include the release schedule and a link to the release scope if needed. And third, a program status dashboard. This provides a consistent and systematic means of measuring the KPIs of each project within a program. A lot of this is process related and can be dynamically driven with project data or updated manually by the project manager. Project link can be clicked to dive into more granular data. Let's click on the Libra acquisition project to review its status in more detail. We find ourselves at the Libra acquisition dashboard, which is divided into a few primary sections, but also acts as a project portal for the team. The first section is a project roadmap that's intended to provide an overview and demonstrate when key business users will be required to support the project in a greater capacity. The next section is a metrics section and is dynamically updated based on the work that is defined for the project and sprint. Notice we've included an overview of the project by capability and process from the SAP Business Process Library. Doing this begins driving traceability into the requirements and scope of work. From the sidebar, we can access the key business documentation for the project. By leveraging Confluence for the documentation, we get one searchable version in a consistent format that's accessible to the whole team with traceability through the lifecycle. Key decisions for the project are easily accessible, which can also be configured to support risk, issue, and change management processes. Understanding change is critical in an SAP project because of the broad-reaching impacts, so we can leverage Agile tools to ensure that a consistent process is followed to manage change to scope and resources. Requirements are broken down by capability and process to clearly delineate ownership. The requirements are defined and the working document becomes finalized as gaps are resolved and decisions are made. Process flows can be linked or attached, and tasks can be created directly in Jira from within the page, linking directly to the requirement itself for traceability. Jira can be used for the team to complete tasks using sprint management. Tasks can be divided into configuration and development, data cleansing, training, or other types. As a user resolves a ticket, the progress is reflected in the sprint metrics. Issues can be updated from the Scrum board, and notifications can be configured to alert interested parties. This is one example of using Agile tools and methods for SAP implementations, and is a great way to promote business and executive buy-in for your Agile transformation. As with anything, adopting Agile is a process and can be implemented in phases. Other phases could include using automation tools for testing and release management, as well as integrating with other tools in your ALM solution. This demo was an incredibly brief overview of one way to implement Agile. At Plan to Action, we think that Atlassian tools offer a mature platform to support ERP software implementations and can integrate with your existing ALM tools. There are numerous ways to make it work for your organization. We can help guide you through the process to make sure that Agile principles are successfully adopted. If one of your goals is to enable a more Agile ERP team, let's talk about what that journey could look like and how we could achieve quick wins with just one project as a prototype. Click on the link below to contact me. I would love to learn more about you, your company, and the business challenges that are driving you to look at new ways to be more effective. Thanks, and I hope to speak with you soon.